Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Scrabble. Scrabble is a classic word game where 2 to 4 players compete to score points by placing words on a game board. The board has a grid of 15 by 15 squares, totaling 225 squares. Each letter tile has a specific point value, and your goal is to maximize your score by strategically forming words. To start, each player draws 7 letter tiles from the bag. The player who draws the letter closest to a goes first. The first word played must cover the center star square, which is a double word score. All subsequent words must connect to existing words on the board, either horizontally or vertically. Remember, no diagonal plays are allowed in Scrabble. Scoring in Scrabble involves adding the point values of all letters in your word. Special squares on the board significantly boost your score. Double and triple letter squares multiply the value of just one tile. Double and triple word squares, however, multiply the score of your entire word. Plus, if you use all 7 of your tiles in a single turn, you earn a fantastic 50-point bonus. To improve your Scrabble game, always look for opportunities to place high-value letters like Q or Z on bonus squares. Try to keep a good mix of vowels and consonants on your rack, ideally around 4 vowels and 3 consonants. Learning short, common words can help you make plays even with difficult letters. Also, consider blocking your opponents from using prime scoring spots.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.